As you saw in the last segment we did on houseplants, we talked with Tom Combs from Bonide about the great products that they have for our indoor plants. Well, I'm with Tom Combs today, and you have an amazing new program through Bonide. So Tom, please tell us about it.
Yeah, we're very excited to have launched this, and we're most excited with the end result, potential end result. So it's really simple. So in these difficult times, Bonide is giving back, and we hope everyone will join us in this effort. So from now until May 31st, 2020, Bonide is donating 100% of your Bonide product purchase amount to Feeding America's COVID-19 Response Fund. Now, our ultimate goal, we hope to raise close to $100,000 as a donation to Feeding America.
And so how does it work? What can we do as a consumer in buying a Bonide product?
Well, simply shop any of our participating retailers. That could be online, in-store, or curbside. Upload a copy of your Bonide purchase receipt to bonide.com/helping-hand, and we'll take care of the rest. It's that easy.
That is so easy. And, you know, everybody wants to help do something, kind of pay it forward during this crisis. And if we could help, you know, people across America, plus you have great products that help our gardens so much, it's just like a win-win. Thank you so much to Bonide for doing this. And so for everyone out there at Garden Time, you could just go to our website, gardentime.tv, and the website will be there. And then you would just have to go to your independent garden center, pick out your Bonide products, and then click to the website and do the rest and really help this wonderful cause through the Bonide Corporation. Tom, thanks so much. This is just wonderful.
Yeah, we're excited. You know, spring has sprung. We're all busy out getting vegetable starts and mulch and whatnot for the garden. And, you know, here comes Bonide with a wonderful promotion, and it goes to a great cause nationally.
Yeah, thanks so much. Take care now.
All right, thanks.